Time now for our weekly COVID-19 update. Joining me now is Santa Barbara County Public Health Director Vando Reynoso. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Hi, good morning.
Hi, good morning. All right, let's start with vaccination rates. Are we seeing an increase right now?
Yes, so as of today, we have 65.9% of our eligible Santa Barbara County population as fully vaccinated. And so when we drill down and look at the zip codes, we are really encouraged that the zip codes in Santa Maria, Guadalupe, and Lompoc, we're noticing an increase from last week. So very encouraged by the increases in those areas.
All right, that's great. And hopefully our case rates are slowing down as well. What are we seeing?
Yes, that is really another set of good news. We are very encouraged and hopeful that, very similar to the rates in California, Santa Barbara County rates are trending downwards. We're seeing a 23% decrease from our highest point during the surge, which was around August 11th. And we unfortunately are seeing that hospitalization is still tending upwards, and that's to be expected because of the lag. As of yesterday, we have 70 individuals in the hospital, and of that, 19 are in the ICU.
Okay, so that is still very concerning. So many people still wondering about booster shots. What can you tell us?
Well, what I can tell you is that the Public Health Department are fast and furious working with our healthcare partners to plan for booster shots when it gets approved by the FDA for the general population. I know that there are some questions about who can get the booster shot right now. Only moderately to severely immunocompromised people are eligible to get their third shot.
Okay, and also we're seeing more pediatric COVID-19 cases, and we know that our kids are back in school and they're being watched closely. So what would classify as an outbreak within a school?
So schools would need to notify us that they have one case. So typically 3 or more in a business or in a school is categorized as an outbreak, but we get notified when there is one case.
Okay, and so how are students being tested? We know that Santa Barbara Unified plans to test students. What can you tell us about that? A lot of parents are confused as to if and when, how that's going to work.
Sure. So schools, different school districts have different timelines for testing of students as well as their staff. So what we have done is support the schools in making sure that the schools have access to the testing, either through direct contract with the state on the color platform, or in some in an outbreak situation, we are providing Binax test kits for them.
Okay, well, thank you so much for joining us today, and we will see you next week for our weekly chat.
Yes.
Appreciate it.
Great. Thank you.